Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel on Advanced Excel. In today's video, we'll see how we can use find to extract or to strip out the numbers which are trapped inside text. Okay, so we are going to use mid over here because that numbers are trapped in between the name and the surname is equal to mid tab. My text is this. Now my start number, I am going to find out this first space because we all know that the numbers are trapped between after the first space whatever is appearing and before the second space all these numbers are appearing. So we will try to find out this position of these two spaces. So I am going to find out position of the first space. So I'll say find text is space, within text is this, and I am completing parenthesis right now. Now the result of this particular find is going to be 6, isn't it? 6, but we know that our numbers are starting, in this case those numbers are starting from position number 7. So I'll just press Ctrl Z and I'll give +1, and I'm only going to surround this find inside the parenthesis. So my starting position I have got. Now number of characters, we know that there are 10 numbers which are to be extracted or strip out. So the result has to be 10. So if I simply give you a 10 and complete parenthesis, we are getting the number, but we want to make this 10 flexible. We don't want to make it absolute. So I'm deleting this 10, and again we'll use find. Okay, find text, this space, comma. Now within text this, comma, and now start number. The start number is going to be 7 because this first space is found at position number 6. So the next space we'll say please find that next space from position number 7. So I am simply going to take this find, Ctrl C, and I'm going to paste it inside this find, Ctrl V. And now let's check for this parenthesis for this second find. So 1, 2, so 2 parentheses are opening, and 3 parentheses are opening and 2 are closing. So I am just going to close one more parenthesis, and let me just see what is the result of this second find. I am pressing F9. So it is giving me 17, but we want 10 to be over here. So Ctrl Z, and again what we'll do is we'll simply reduce this particular result of this particular first find from the second find. Ctrl C, and before this last parenthesis we have, I'll say minus this, and I think things are looking okay, and here it is. Okay, so we have stripped out the numbers which are trapped between this two names, that is a name and a surname, and because these numbers are in a text, we know what to do. Simply I'll say home and minus double negatives or double minus and Control Enter. So we have a numbers, and let me show you a trick where we are going to use that relative cell reference of Excel. Now usually the default setting of the Excel is it copies from left to right or it copies from top to bottom. But when you are using relative cell reference, I am just pressing F2 over here, and the moment I press enter, you will see the formula is copying upward. So Control Enter, and here you have. Okay, so with this find we are able to extract or strip out the numbers which are trapped inside the certain text. Okay, and now what if we want to take out this text from particular this text string? So very simple, you can use either replace or substitute function. I am going for the substitute tab. Now the text is this, comma, my old text is this, but we know that there are two spaces inside this particular text string, and we want only one space. So I am saying old text is this particular data, that is this number, and into inverted comma space, inverted comma complete. So replace this number and space, and you replace this with nothing. So double quotation marks, which is called as zero length text string, complete parenthesis, Control Enter, and simply select this range F2 and Control Enter. So this is how you can use find inside mid when you are having a certain number which are trapped within certain text, and then whatever result you get, you can simply use that result in a within substitute function to replace those numbers, and you can have only the names. Okay, so friends, this is how you can use find in the most creative manner. Now I am giving link of this file in the description box for you to download and practice upon. So thanks for all your views and likes, and do subscribe to my channel and hit that like button if you like what I do, and also hit that bell icon as well, so as to get notifications of my upcoming videos. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.